morning, students. Today we will discuss poem. Today I wrote this poem written by Kin Nesbitt. In this poem, a child is writing a poem and he is missing many things, many of the important things which are not the part of his poem. Still, he is not able to express those things in his poem. He write in such a good manner that his teacher is so impressed from his poem and give her A++. So how he write the poem, what he write in it, what is missing in it, we will discuss in this poem. Let's start the poem. Today I wrote this poem, but I am not sure if it's good. It doesn't have the things my teachers say a poem should. What he is telling us, he wrote the poem. It means maybe he just at night he wrote the poem, but he is sure that it is not a good poem. Why it is not a good poem? Because her teacher told her many things which a poem should contain to become a good poem or an impressive poem, but his poem is not containing all these things. That's why he is damn sure that his poem is not good. So what are the things which according to her is missing are, it doesn't share the feelings. So one of the important thing which poem contain is feeling. Mostly poets express their feelings about something in a poem. So in her poem, it doesn't contain feelings. I have deep inside of me. Which feeling he is not able to express are the feelings, his inner feelings, what he is feeling right now. It doesn't have any metaphor. So what are metaphor? But that words which describe something by calling it something as. For example, I say my mother is an angel. So what I'm trying to say is my mother is very beautiful, but I have used a metaphor. That metaphor is my mother is an angel, and not one simile. Simile means to compare one thing with the another. So his poem is not comparing anything. It does not contain any metaphor. Next is, it's missing any narrative. Narrative means a story. So his poem is not containing any story. He is not expressing or writing any story through the medium of a poem. Alteration 2. Alteration means the repetition of a letter or a sound. For example, we say yoni yoni, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa. So papa is repeating again and again repeated again and again in this poem. So that are alterations. So his poem is not having metaphor, not simile, it's not a narration, and along with it is not an alliteration. It isn't an acrostic, diamante, or haiku. Acrostic means that type of poem in which the title of the poem is being repeated again and again in the poem. There is one poem, the title of that poem is If, and almost every line of that poem starts with if. So acrostic means those poems in which the title is being repeated again and again. So it is not acrostic poem. Diamante means the poem that is in diamond shape. So it is basically of 7 line. First line is bigger than second line is little shorter than first line, then third line is more shorter. In the same way, it take the shape of a diamond, that is not known as diamante. And a hiku means it is a traditional style of writing poem, and it is the tradition of Japanese people. This type of poem mainly contain 3 lines and 17 sibilantes. Next is there's nothing that personified. Personified means it does not tell anything about the human quality. Neither it tell about the animal or a human quality, we can say. It doesn't have a plot. I'm pretty sure that the rhyming is the only thing it got. So all these things are missing in his poem, but one thing he is having in his poem, that is rhyming tune. A rhythm of his poem is according to the rhyming pattern of a poem. I'm sure it sure was fun to write it, and I think it's long enough. So, what he is telling us further, that he is enjoying while writing the poem, and according to him, the length of the poem is enough. It's just too bad it's missing all the great patriotic stuff. Along with this, he is feeling bad because all these things, which things, metaphor, simile, narrative, alliteration, acrostic, demente, all these things are missing in his poem. He is feeling bad for it, but he is having fun also because he is able to write a poem. He is enjoying it. I put it on my teacher's desk, and wow, she made a poof. She handed back my poem with E plus plus plus. So, next morning, what he did, he gave his poem to his teacher for checking. While reading, she made a poof. Poof means to feel some air in the mouth. So she made a poof while reading the poem, and after reading, she gave A plus 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 to the student after reading the poem. Handed back my poem means जब टीचर ने चेकिंग करके उसे वापस दी तो उसने क्या देखा कि उसकी नोटबुक पे टीचर ने पोएम के ऊपर क्या दिया हुआ है, E प्लस प्लस. सो as we have discussed before starting this poem is written by one student. Although he is enjoying while writing the poem, but his poem is missing many of the things. Many of the poetic stuff is missing in his poem. For example, metaphor, simile, narrative, alliteration, acrostic, demente, haiku, and personified. So all these things are missing in his poem, but still he is able to write an attractive poem. Why it is an attractive and loving poem? Because after reading his poem, his teacher gave him A plus plus plus. So this thing tells us that the creation of a student is very beautiful. It, although it was not having any of the basic qualities of a poem, but it contained rhyming tone. So in this way, the child is learning to write a poem, and teacher is motivating him by giving him a good response. Thank you.